Okay, for number 27, they gave you 93%, 0.96, 47 over 50, and 19 over 20. Okay, those are the four values. So again, first step, change everything to a decimal. So 93% is 93 over 100, right? Because percent means per 100, so 93 per 100. Another little way sometimes people remember is the percent looks like a 1 and 2 zeros, so 100. And then we're going to divide 93 divided by 100, and we get 0.9, well, let's put the 0 in front. 0.93. So that's the first decimal. This is already a decimal, 0.96. 47 over 50, we're just going to divide 47 divided by 50. And I'm not sure what we get. Let's see, 47 divided by 50, 0.94. So that's another decimal. And then the last one, 19 over 20. We're going to divide 19 divided by 20. And we get 0.95. So again, here's our four decimals. They're actually very close, right? 0.93, 0.96, 0.94, and 0.95. And if you think of it as money, this one is pretty easy. I think most of you can get it with even without thinking of it as money. So if you think of it as money, 0.93 would be the smallest, right? Then 0.94, then 0.95, then 0.96. And the last step is to change it back to the original form. So 0.93 used to be 93%. 0.94 used to be 47 over 50. 0.95 used to be 19 over 20. And 0.96 was always a decimal. So this would be your final answer. Okay, and you're done. And the last question that I want to do is number 29. Number 29, the directions have changed. They now want you to compare with a less than, greater than, or equal to sign. And just as a little refresher, let's do this here. Less than looks like this. Looks like a L with a little slant. Greater than like this, and of course, but why not write it equal to? So here's less than, here's greater than, here's equal to, and they want you to compare for number 29, 1 over 200, and they gave you a little circle to write in, and 1/2%. So they want you to put one of these signs in this circle to make it a true statement. Is 1 over 200 less than, greater than, or equal to 1/2%? That's what I'm going to tell you to do. Change them both to decimals, and then you can see. So 1 divided by 200 gives you 0.01. I'm sorry, actually it gives you, I jumped the gun. Let's see. 1 divided by 100 gives you 0.01. So 1 divided by 200 gives you 0.005. And make sure you keep track of how many zeros you're writing. You can mess yourself up like that. 0.005. 1/2%. Let's circle our decimal. 1/2%. Now this is key. First of all, 1/2% means 1/2 over 100, right? So this is what I'm going to do. First, we're going to change the fraction to a decimal. So 1 divided by 2 equals what? 0.5, right? So that's only 1/2. 1/2 equals 0.5. 1/2, I'm saying this over and over again because it's going to look a little tricky. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So this is really 0.5%. This comes out to be, let's see, 0.5%. We didn't do anything with the percent sign yet, okay? So 1/2 is the only thing we changed. We changed 1/2 to 0.5. So instead of 1/2%, now we have 0.5%. Now, percent means per 100. So this is 0.5 per 100. Okay, it looks a little weird, right? There's a fraction and a decimal combined. It's okay because we're going to divide it anyway and get rid of the fraction. So in your calculator, do 0.5 divided by 100. And you get 0.005 as your decimal. And I just want to go over that again because I know some people might not have been able to follow me. What did I do? We started off with 1/2%. We have a fraction and a percent, so we have to do one at a time. Let's change the fraction first. 1/2 is 1 divided by 2, and that gave me 0.5. Okay, so this is really 0.5%. 0.5%. So I wrote that down there. It's like less than 1%, 0.5%. And then 0.5% means 0.5 per 100. So it's 0.5 on the numerator, 100 in the denominator. So now I have a fraction that has a decimal in it, 0.5 over 100. Then when I divide it, I get 0.005. So what do you find out? The two decimals are actually equal, so that means 1 over 200 equals 1/2%. And you're done.